Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. If you are new here, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. So I want to play a video for you, and at the same time this video uh, is an explanation to how some people misinterpret the meaning of our Orishas. So when we say Orishas, we mean the representation of our messengers, from Olodumare. And when I say messengers, I am talking about Orunmila, talking about Shown Who, Ogun, because they all came to the face of the earth to live with us, and they left legacies for us. So some people feel that when we say Orisha, they feel that we are referring to the image that we use to represent them. It's a general belief that some of these images are representation of our Orishas. Take for instance, when we say Orisha Ibeji, we have the image that represents Orisha Ibeji. That does not necessarily mean that this is actually the Orisha, but it's a representation, the identification, which is a general belief. So when we say Orisha and we are pointing at an image, it means that this is the identification of the Orisha. Take for instance, Ikin. Ikin is a representation of Orunmila. And if you check the history, if you check the story of how Orunmila gave us Ikin, you will see that when he was living, he said that I am going to give you Ikin, which will represent me. So whenever you see Ikin, you are going to say Orunmila. So that is it. The same thing, Shango has the axe, which we use to represent him and to say, oh, this is Shango, the identification of Shango. We have Ogo issue, and so on and so forth. And when we see iron, we say this is Ogun, this is Ogun for iron. So some people, because I'm making reference to someone who was, who commented so very illogical, correcting what I can even say does not hold any water, because actually we tolerate all corrections, of course, but at the same time our correction should be reasonable. It should be reasonable, so we don't have to confuse people, because some people are coming to the comment to read from others, to learn from others, right? So we should understand the system. So when we say Orisha, it means that the representation, the identification of our Orishas. And as we know that Orishas are a new Orisha, the people that came to the face of the earth, that God created specially, and up to today we still pray through them to Olodumare. We are no more seeing them in physical, but we have the image or the images that represent them, and whenever we want to pray to them, we look up to the image, right? So we are not necessarily saying that they are the Orishas. So let's watch this video together. I met with an Orisha, so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So she actually introduced or told us okay, just let's watch the video so that you are going to understand, so that for you to understand what I mean. And even if you go to all these practitioners, all these our traditionalists, this is what they say. They will tell you that this is Eshu, this is Ogun, this is Shango, this is Oya, this is Olokun, and so on and so forth. So I don't know why some people still feel that when we say this is the Orisha, why I don't know why some people still feel that we are saying this is exactly the Eshu or Ogun or Oya, or these are the representation. That's all. So we don't have to say it anymore. They know. People know already that this is the representation of the Orisha, right? So that is it. Thank you very much, and Let's watch the
video. I want that. Okay. Okay. Ìyá ẹjọ́ à ń rí àwọn kan tí wọ́n kó sílẹ̀ ní bíbá yìí. Ẹjọ́ bá wa ṣàlàyé àwọn kan tó wà ní bíbá yìí fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá láti lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa àṣà àti ìṣe àtẹ̀sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ ṣe wá ìyá. Ẹjọ́ bá wa bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Epa Orishas Who.
Ẹ kọ́ bá wa sọ orúkọ yín.
Ọbàtálá Olodumare. Orúkọ mi ni Ifakorede Badmus, Iyaoosa of Ogun State. So àwọn nǹkan tí àwọn òbí bá eléyìí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ẹgbẹ́. Eléyìí ìbejì, òòṣà ìbejì ni eléyìí tẹ́ ń wò yìí. Òun la wọ aṣọ fún yìí. Òòṣà ìbejì nìyẹn. Àwọn eléyìí Ọ̀ṣun, òòṣà Ọ̀ṣun ni àwọn eléyìí. Ìtọ́ eléyìí òòṣà mọ́lòkun. Òòṣà mọ́lòkun. Eléyìí eégún. Òòṣà eégún nìyẹn. Eléyìí ọba lúwayé wíwọ̀ wáàdù. Àwọn ọmọ olóògùn dàrú. Tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ wọ́n pè ní olúwèkù aya náà àkàtàyẹ rẹ̀ Ṣàngó nìyẹn olúwèkù aya náà àkàtàyẹ rẹ̀ onímọ̀ṣínú èdè sáwọn ọ̀pọ̀ yẹn. wọ́n yẹ ẹ̀yà sẹ́nu. Eléyìí kórì òòṣà kórì lèyí lọ́mọ yọyọ orí eléyìí ajé ológun ajé ògùn mẹ́sàn ẹgbẹ̀ta obìnrin amóbìnrin ṣàfojúdi sọ́kọ èyí tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ ológun nìyẹn. Àwọn eléyìí òrìṣàlá Ọbàtálá òrìṣà ọba takuntakun lóde ìrọ̀jẹ̀ tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ lélẹ̀.
Ẹ ṣeun bá wa.
Ìlú yìí bàtà táwọn oníṣàngó máa ń lò, àwọn eléégún náà máa ń lò àti Ọya Ṣàngó àti eégún àti Ọya ọmọ ìyá kan náà ni wọ́n.